going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be helping Navarro. He has the black C8. He bought a catch can, Mishimoto catch can, for his 2025 Chevrolet Corvette. Doesn't have a Z51. It's a 1LT car, but he should be here right now, so we're going to go down. We're going to do this in my condo's garage, but I mean, it should still be a pretty quick video. So let's go down. All right, we here with Big Slime. What's good, buddy?
What's good, man?
Chilling. He's brought his 2025 Corvette C8, and like I said, we're gonna be doing an unboxing and an installation of the Mishimoto catch can, but we're gonna get it done. So simple unboxing. I'm not really gonna do like too much of a how-to video, but packaging is honestly solid. Got a couple of hoses, some clamps, and that's honestly all she wrote. All right, we got everything unboxed. We got the oil catch can itself. What you think of it, Slime?
It's actually really good, material.
Yeah.
And I think it's good.
Super good quality, Mishimoto. The catch can itself. Then you got the mounting bracket. And then it comes with 2 replacement hoses, which you got to take 2 of them off. Super easy. And then clamps to clamp the hose with this on these. So these will screw into this. So let's do that. Goes right in this area here. Mishimoto does include bolts. I don't know the exact what they are, but we're gonna go ahead and install the mount and the catch can now. All right, so we got the catch can installed. It's just 2 bolts, 2 Allen keys to connect the mount, and then you actually do the catch can to the mount, which is these 3 Allen keys on top. So now we're going to be removing this PCV hose here, and then there's another one back in this area. All right, so to take off these PCV hose clips, there's a little lever on this side. You basically just push in and pull up at the same time. And comes right up, and then basically thread this down, unclip, hold on, almost, there we go. This engine bay is still hot. All right, and then the one back here, same thing. And the PCV hose is now out of the car. What do you think, Slime?
Man, that was easy.
Easy money.
Good job.
So these are the Mishimoto upgraded hoses. They're actually rubber.
Not this.
Yeah, this one is GM junk. It's like plastic, brittle. Over time, this will definitely break. So Slime's gonna be in good hands over here. He's gonna have an oil catch can in good shape. What do you think about the quality, bro?
Actually, really good quality. Easy installation, as you saw from taking off this. So pretty much the rest of it should be pretty well. Yeah.
Let's get to it. So the long big hose is we're gonna route it down below.
Yeah.
Bring it on up. Hold on. This engine's hot. We just got done driving it. Gonna clip that into place. You want to hear it clip? Hear that clip? And then this is pretty much good to just get up in here and boom. But I'm not gonna put it all the way in. We're gonna tuck it all up, and we gotta put the it comes with these little things, hose clamps. So we'll put those in, but for right now I'm just gonna leave it. All right, this video has been sponsored by Cover Daddy. Cover Daddy is an indoor and outdoor car cover company that specializes in protecting your ride. This is an indoor cover that has thick material, very form and sleek fitting. Also has bungees in the front to help tuck it up and keep it secured. They also do logos, any logo you want to do, custom. I have a C8 logo in the color orange to match my car. So if you're interested in getting a car cover for your car, go ahead and check out their website at coverdaddy.net. They specialize in tailor to fit all makes and models. GTRs, Lamborghinis, Corvettes, Porsches, pretty much any car you can think of. If you want to get free shipping for watching this video, use code FREESHIP and you'll get $25 off. Got the hose from the rear PCV, like adapter thing, whatever it's called. I don't know which one it is, but it comes. We got it all tightened up. Now we got the hose clamp. I do not have a screwdriver, so we're gonna use my American Express card, and we're just gonna tighten this down. So this one is all tightened down. I kind of like to leave a little gap between the rubber, so it's like the metal, a little bit of rubber, the hose clamp, and then the whole thing, and then just kind of tuck it and make it look a little cleaner. Now we're gonna do this side that connects to here. All right, second hose, pretty self-explanatory. Go till it clips. Here the clip, and then grab the hose clamp, wiggle that mug on. Then we're gonna go ahead and tighten this one up, and she'll be good to go. All right, that's pretty much it of the oil catch can for the C8 LT2 engine, Mishimoto catch can. Just a recap, we got the mount. It's held in by 2 Allen keys to the body of the car. Then the oil catch can itself is held in by these 3 Allen keys. And then you have one hose going out all the way to the back of the engine over here. And then you have the shorter hose here. What'd you think, Slime?
That was actually really easy. Don't go over there and looking at the Mishimoto one.
Yeah, honestly, Mishimoto, like I said, I run one of these in my C8, so I recommended it to him. Pretty self-explanatory install. What do you think, Slime? You give 10 out of 10?
Oh yeah, 10 out of 10. All day.
Glad we got another Corvette customer happy. I got C8s out there. Sheesh. Everybody love them, baby. Get one.
Get one.
Get one.
Get one. I'm telling you, get one.
Okay. What he said. Get one. All right, gonna do a little pull in the C8.
Ready?
Yeah. Hit that.
Let's go.
Oh.
40 pull.
40 roll. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video. Got my man hooked up.
Oh yeah, easy install. You know, pretty easy a process.
I think the C8 alone is going to benefit from it. I think every car should have a catch can on it, and this, especially a beautiful car like this, definitely want to protect the engine, help the valve train out. But that's gonna do it for this video. Appreciate you tuning in. Till next time, we got Young Slime. We got me. Like I said, ZR1's back on the channel. We're gonna be doing a bunch of cruises, so stay tuned for that. But with that being said, please like, comment, and share, right?
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yep.
And we'll see you on the next one.